And throughout this film, or through the shorts that I will be sharing from this film, I expect that you get reminded as well that when I say as an awakened woman that you don't need to be aligned or to be aligning yourself to be having the life of your dreams, it means simply that you are not really like just a human being trying to be aligned with a higher self, so to say, or with a perfect you that is somewhere else watching over you, but that you yourself, as the divine being that you are already aligned. Okay, you're already aligned, and what many people call alignment, as in like getting to be more divine, so to say, is just simply letting that divine emerge and unfold and flow with it, and flow with that being, which you already are. It's basically less about alignment and more about flowing with that which already is, with that which you are, which is divine already by nature. Okay, so and perhaps this is something that sounds easier said than done. Me myself, I have to be reminded myself many times, even as an awakened woman, that I am already divine, that there are not two of me. But it's something that is kind of like part of the experience, right? And even though you can be told right now by me, you are already aligned, the one that you are is already aligned, somehow you still have to be realizing it within yourself. You still have to come throughout your direct experience in your life path that you are divine consciousness that is already perfect, that is already aligned, that can just simply be as that divine consciousness. And with that, I want to close this reflection, this introduction to my film, with a quick question for you, and that is, how would you feel, and how would your life be if you would know that in truth you are already perfect as you are, that you are already aligned as you are, even if you don't try to be aligned, or even if you don't learn how to be aligned, you are already aligned. Then what would you feel? How would you feel? What would your life be like if you didn't have to be constantly on the get aligned to get this, manifest to get that, and so on? How would you feel if you would know that those things are already natural in you?